If you're about to use some plastic padding and haven't done this before, this is a video for you. I'm gonna do a quick fix of this table that has cracked open here. And well, it's kind of straightforward. I'll just run you through everything. Yeah, we got the table here and it's got smashed in the corner, so we got a big open hole. And plastic padding is like the perfect thing to fix this with. It's sturdy enough and all. But there's like a big hollow space in here, so I'm just gonna use some hot glue to fill it up, so I don't have to use that much plastic padding. And another thing, this part is sort of bendy, so I'm gonna try to push it in a bit and get the plastic padding on top of this. Because if I just put it like that and push the padding under, it will not be as good. So I'll do that with this little piece here too. Yeah, I think that will do it. This is like just a special case for this. There's so much hollow room that it will swallow so much plastic padding. It will be a waste of the expensive stuff. And if you're doing something important, you got fibers that you can use with the plastic padding. If like you're repairing a boat or something, or if you got a fender bender or something in the car, you could use like some sort of metal mesh like this and shape it around and make it more sturdy. But in this case, I'm just going to use the padding as it is. Well, now we just have to mix up the glasfiberspackel, the plastic padding here, with the right amount, and splash it on here and make it sort of smooth, because we're gonna sandpaper it when it's all hardened and dried. Well, it's kind of straightforward. You just open up your container like that. Oh, lots of stuff here. Got the instructions. I read that one before, so the proportions are like if you make about a golf ball of size of this goo, you should have like 4 or 5 centimeters of hardening stuff. And this one is kind of old, even rusty, so I hope it's not ruined. For this case, I think I'm gonna do like 2 golf balls. Here we got the goo, and it's like a strong smell. You should actually be in a properly ventilated place. But, well, there's so many birds screaming outside, so that would be like a golf ball, I would say. In case, I'll just make another one. I'm not sure how important it is to get the exact right proportions, but if you use too much hardener, it will be very rigid, and if you use too less, it might not even get stiff at all. So let's see now. 2. I have no idea. That got a bit messed up. Oh, I think this is way too much, because it just splurted out like that. Well, anyhow, and when you mix this up, you might have one of these spatels, but you can use other stuff like a stick or another plastic thingy. And you want to mix it up very thoroughly. It's like epoxy, if you ever done that. You really want a good mix. All the goo gets in contact with the hardener. I might fast forward this part, so you don't have to watch me do it all. Whew, it's really strong smell. This is not good for your health. Alrighty, I guess it's done now to be applied, so let's go for that. I got quite a lot here, so I'm not worried. I'm trying to get it in under, so it will like support the broken ends here. I think I overdid it. And you want to get more in than you need, because we're gonna sandpaper the excess stuff. Oh, it's already getting stiff. I better hurry up. Crap. Oh, this one's too fast. Holy moly. Ah! Oh, holy crap. That went sort of not so well, but I got most of it in, and it started hardening too fast. I think I got too much of the hardener goo that it was supposed to. Anyhow, when this is settled, I'm gonna sandpaper it down, and perhaps I have to fill up some gaps that went in this snafu. But that's about what you need to do. I got some on my fingers, and I'm gonna leave this room because the fumes are sort of making me dizzy. Alrighty, the smell is sort of gone. I opened the windows and stuff like that. I think before it hardens too much, I'm gonna try to take a knife and just get the worst bits out, because I got a big bulge of extra material I don't need. Well, I'm not an expert at this, but I'm a good enough handyman to get it done, and I mess it up so you don't have to. Yeah, that will do it so far, and I'm just gonna sandpaper up, maybe spray paint it so it doesn't look that ugly. So I moved outdoors because the fumes were too much. So lessons learned, you should have some gloves or protection. You should work sort of outdoors-ish because the fumes are like horrible, and mix the proportions well. In this case, I'm not too picky about the table. It's sort of banged up all over the place, but I'm gonna sandpaper this. Yeah, that'll do it. I'm just gonna clean this off and put some spray paint on it, and I'm happy with that. Well, so this is good enough for me. You could actually get really good finishes, like if you're working on your car or something, or on your boat. It's quite easy to work with. Just make sure you have the right protective gear. Yeah, we're gonna have a cloth on this table anyhow, so thanks for watching. I hope it was helpful.